everyone, it's MK and
Mr. MK.
And welcome to MK Quilts. So we are super excited today because what we are going to record is our unboxing and installation of our Prostitcher Lite system onto our Moxie. So we have a multitude of information to share with you, but what we want to do is keep it basic. We want to start from the beginning. We're going to cut open the box, see what's in there, and then there are some tools and resources. Paul, talk a little bit about your preview just now of one of the resources that they're going to use today.
So the Built app, which is advertised top on the box here, is downloadable. And it's a step-by-step installation process. So if you do have a smartphone, I'd suggest you work along with that as you set it up. But we're going to go through basically the same process. They don't cover unboxing the product right now and looking at it. The other thing I'd like to say is we are on a custom 6-foot frame here, loft frame. So don't let that throw you. The bars aren't in place. But this is literally the first PS Lite we got in just yesterday, and we have some more coming, so our customers have been waiting as long as we have here. So we will be shipping them out very quickly over the next few days.
All right, so if you're just stumbling upon this video, we are retailers here in Florida, and we have the benefit of an additional little email that we got from Handi Quilter about some things that we need to check on the machine as far as updates and that type of thing. So you're going to get the benefit of a retailer getting the instruction from Handi Quilter, whatever instruction is in the box, and also with the Built app. So we're just going to jump right into this. We are going to mostly let the camera roll today, and if we need to capture certain things, we can just edit that right out. But Paul and I will both vouch for the fact that the Built app is it steps you right through, it speaks to you, there's pictures and all of that, okay? So we're happy to have you along. If you are still in the market for a Moxie or a Prostitcher Lite, give us a call weekdays, 727-935-1739, extension number 3. That'll put you in touch with Paul, and we'll go over all of the specifics about how we can get you a machine, how we can get this on order for you, because they are in limited supply as of today, which is the beginning of January 2022. Okay, we'd love to add you to our owner's family. All right, here we go.